Wow, good tin mug. So today we are going to get some air conditioning at last. So let's go to community one. Okay, I'm so hot, very hot. Okay, so here you see it. So let's go. Okay, all right. Okay guys, I've come for the AC. Okay, all right, and I'm paying it right now. Okay, so we are going for Nasco, which is a brand here. Okay, and the sizes you said is 2.0
R410.
R410. Yes. Okay, all right, so you heard that. Okay, all right, thanks.
So I'll give you 40.
There are other chairs here. Okay, and I got my fridge here also. So they have very nice collections here. This is what I got the other time. I went for this one. Not West Pool, the other one, but this is also a very good brand. Okay, all right.
Yeah, what was
This is the one that I took.
Yes. Media.
Media? No.
It was West Point.
What West Point? That's right. It's very good. It can chill within seconds, and it's very good. I have no problem with it whatsoever. Wow, I think you should get more.
Okay.
Yeah. So I got the change. Okay. All right. And that's Adam. So anytime you want to come here, try and come, and he will help you. Yeah. This is the brand. You see that West Point? West Point. If you get the fridge, it's very good. Wow, it's in this car.
This is the indoor. So
Okay.
normally this one comes inside. And the one here comes outside like this.
Do I need to get a cable? That one?
No. When you get them, they'll handle everything for you. Yes.
Okay.
So the big one outside here, that is what is here.
It's the inside.
Yes. And then this one is what is inside there.
Over there, straight ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Whoa, I have to help you. Okay. All right. So how much is it? 37. Okay. Thank you. One moment. All right. Well, so I cut my hair. Do you like it? I got bored. I got bored. All right, this is what I was saying. In this world, if you are selfish, you will always fight with people. So try as much as possible not to fight, okay? Try to be as pleasant as possible. Don't be selfish. It's not all about you, okay? There are many people that contribute to your development and everything. So don't be selfish. It's not all about you. There are many people, okay? There are many people that hustle just like you and get tired just like you. Enjoy it. Be kind. Don't be solitude. Just try as much as possible to be friendly. All right, try to empathize, okay? If you empathize, that is very important. Okay, let's look at this, okay, and see how it's gonna fix over there. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. The spots at this place will take this Nasco. All right, it will go to the corner. This one is intentionally opened, okay, for the cable to get in there, okay, from this side. So here, the other side will get to here, somewhere here. Okay, the window is really truly interesting. So it will come to this side, okay, and then we will put something outside. So here, so let's see how it will turn out. I hope it becomes very good, okay, and that we can feel some cold. It's very hot in here, my God. Okay, bye.